By the end of the video, we'll know about how to get rid of skinny fat effectively using proven strategies. Skinny fat, a condition where an individual appears slim, but has a higher body fat percentage and low muscle mass, can be challenging to address. Here, we'll explore comprehensive methods to transform your body composition for a leaner, more muscular physique. Understanding skinny fat. Skinny fat occurs when a person has a normal or low weight, but a high body fat percentage. This often results in a soft, flabby appearance, despite not being overweight. To combat this, you need a balanced approach involving nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Effective strategies to get rid of skinny fat. Number 1. Optimize your diet. Nutrition plays a crucial role in changing your body composition. Focus on protein intake. High protein diets help build muscle and burn fat. Aim for 1.0 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dimetize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue the video's main topic. Caloric balance. Maintain a slight caloric surplus to gain muscle while ensuring you're not over-consuming calories that lead to fat gain. Healthy fats and carbs. Include healthy fats and complex carbs to provide energy and support overall health. Number 2. Strength training. Building muscle is essential for eliminating skinny fat. Incorporate strength training exercises that target major muscle groups. Compound movements. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage multiple muscle groups and promote overall muscle growth. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight and intensity of your workouts to continually challenge your muscles and encourage growth. Number 3. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardio helps burn fat and improve cardiovascular health. HIIT. High intensity interval training. Short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods can be more effective than steady-state cardio for fat loss. Moderate cardio. Activities like jogging, cycling, or swimming can also support fat loss when done consistently. 4. Recovery and sleep. Proper recovery is crucial for muscle growth and fat loss. Rest days. Ensure you have rest days to allow muscles to recover and grow. Quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to support overall health and recovery. Middle content emphasis. By the end of this journey, you'll have transformed your body composition, gaining muscle and losing fat for a healthier, more defined physique. Stay dedicated, and remember that every small step forward brings you closer to your fitness goals. By the end of the video, we'll know about how to implement these strategies effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and personal experiences to help you achieve the body transformation you desire.